Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Grant Tommy. This is Straight 6 Fan, helping you build your hot rod in your confidence. And today we're going to take a break from that and talk about building your YouTube channel in your confidence without a ton of money. So last year, myself, Craving Cars, Boost Rodeo, and Old Car Guy took on what we called Solo B-Roll Challenge 2020. And while we had some different motives last year, and it didn't quite work out the way we were hoping to when we put that strategy together, but we wound up having such a great time with it that we decided, hey, let's dust that off, let's expand it to more people, let's make it our own, and let's do Solo B-Roll Challenge 2021. So what is the point of Solo B-Roll Challenge 2021, you might ask? Well, it's to tell a story with video without having to rely on talking in front of the camera all the time. Narrate the whole thing. Now, in this challenge, sure, if you feel like maybe you need to slip in a expletive because you busted your knuckle on something, sure, fine, that's probably okay. But the majority of it should be you not talking. You might also be asking, what's the whole point of it being solo? Well, that is, we are asking you guys to use only one camera. If you have multiple GoPros, sorry, you can only use one. If you have a drone and a DSLR, you gotta pick one platform and ride with it. The second piece of the whole meaning behind solo is that, well, you are the only camera operator, so you can't get a buddy to help you. It's gotta be you. It's gotta be a one-man show, one camera, and also when we say solo, that means that you, the photographer, the video man, you have to be in this video in some capacity. Now, it could just be your hands, that could be your face, your legs, your feet, whatever. Whatever it is, you have got to be in some capacity. Next up, this is all got to be done in a 90-second limit. Now, I will warn you, I would say you should probably shoot for an 89-second limit, because what we found, the four of us last year doing it, is that, well, if your editor said 1 minute and some change, YouTube rounds that up to 1 minute and 1 second. So I would highly advise you plan on 89-second limit, so that way you're not disqualified when you thought you met the mark and you upload and it says 1 minute 31 seconds. So if you think 90 seconds is difficult, though, I will tell you, last year the four of us, well, we did it all in 60 seconds. So we thought we would lengthen that just a little bit to make it a little easier for all of you guys. But what we do ask that you do in all of your submissions, every submission has to have this, and that is the hashtag Solo B-Roll 2021 in the title. That way we can search that hashtag, find your entry submission, and you have to upload your submission no later than March 7th by midnight. And why we say that, we've talked about this kind of ad nauseum since the four of us stretch basically from the Atlantic time zone to the Pacific time zone. Well, let's put it this way. One of the four of us has to be able to go to the video, and we have to be able to see the next day that it says it was uploaded on March 7th. So that's going to be the trick. If you don't want to leave it up to how YouTube scores it, well then I just suggest that you do it at 8 p.m. on March 7th in whatever time zone you're in. I don't know. Anyway, think about it, but that's when we've got to have them up. So finally, you might be asking yourself, or me, Grant, hey, okay, great, sounds like fun, sounds like maybe a challenge, sounds like something I might want to do, but why would I go through all this work to do it? What's at stake? Well, to the winner, the four of us will be judging, to the winner goes a Deity D3 shotgun mic. Since we want to help you guys level up your game both with this challenge, we also figure let's do it with gear as well and hook you guys up with some cool stuff. In the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link down below in the description to all of our videos from last year, the four of us, the 60-second version, so you guys kind of get an idea of what we're after, the kinds of things we were doing back then. Again, it's about telling a story, it's about being the main subject of your own video, it's about sprucing up your typical upload with a little bit of strategy. So go take a moment to watch all four of those videos. I think you'll enjoy those. Otherwise, like, comment, share, subscribe. Heck, over here, let's put two of those videos over here in this end screen. That's gonna do it for this episode. Until next time, peace out.